Do you become silent during arguments because you don't know what to say in English? Then this video is for you. Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's video, you will learn 10 daily use English sentences for angry situation with real life content and usage. Let's begin. You can use this sentence when someone gets angry and starts speaking loudly during a conversation. Why are you shouting at me? Please calm down and listen first. We use this sentence to peacefully stop an argument. When you make a mistake accidentally or when someone misunderstands your intention, in this situation, say, I didn't do it on purpose. When you are emotionally hurt and want the person to stop talking harshly, at that time you can say, I'm already upset, please stop. During repeated complaints or argument, we use this sentence, don't blame me for everything. When you want a chance to speak and explain yourself, you can use this sentence, let me explain my side. When someone is speaking rudely or disrespectfully, at that time you can say, this is not the right way to talk. When you are angry and need a break before talking again, in this situation you can say, I need some time to calm down. You can use this sentence when you want to end the argument maturely and peacefully. Let's talk when we both feel better. You misunderstood me. You can use this sentence when the other person understood your words wrongly. Quiz time. Watch the video and comment your answer below. Which sentence is correct? Option A, you misunderstanding me. Option B, you misunderstood me. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident your English will become. That's it for today. See you in the next class.